Good morning, dear traders. Forex market. We're back Monday morning. We want to open up the week with the euro dollar because we're about to jump in and try to catch about 100 pip with a short position. I'm talking about. We've been talking about the euro, before. We've been quick to identify the formation that's been evolving here ever since the beginning of August. Remember, because up until that point, leading to that formation, price was going up, right? And then it started to do this, started to trade sideways. We had a few back and forth exchanges, right? 1, 2, 3, and all the way up 4. That was quite an impressive move because it beautifully touched base on that 1960 top resistance level, and then of course came the turnaround. So price is heading downwards towards the lower section, and we think we can use this little technical correction. It's a very local technical correction of just a few days to pull the trigger in a pretty good area where we can catch 100 pip because we're aiming at 17 spot. But also I should mention 1745. Actually 1745, that's a big key level. That's the mid-low key level. It's also the primary target. So if price will come when it starts to turn back down and hits 1745, we'll be watching very closely. We might decide to pull out completely, because if price will find some difficulties breaking through, then of course that's going to be a sign to close this trade and look for opportunities somewhere else. But basically, because of the nature of the high we came from, that was a definite high, which took the previous highs, right? Two of them. I mean, the only two highs we had here, it definitely took them on the way up, and we feel it's going to do the same on the way down, which means 17 could be just the beginning where price is going to drill into that area and possibly even touch 1644. And maybe even have that full-fledged downside reversal from a larger scale, but that's to come. We're gonna focus on what's imminent right now. So 100 pip, right? That's what we feel we can chase here. Right after this session, we're pulling the trigger, activating a new short position on the euro dollar. We're gonna place our stop loss level at 119, just a little bit, just a tag above the previous local high here, and obviously we'll still use 1859 for protection just in case price will overextend on its way up and touch base with 15 or 1859. We're actually going to try to double down if that's going to be the scenario, if that scenario is going to manifest. Anyway, that's what we feel right now with the euro. I want to show you something quite interesting. It's the daily chart. Before we wrap this up, take a look how price behaved with that 1859 level that I've mentioned. It had been broken a few days ago, right before the weekend, and then price came from above. Beautiful touch base here, and then spiking it from above again the second time, and then capitulating, just tanking right from that level. But take a look at these two spikes. That's just a bit of a confirmation to the fact that price indeed was able to break down 1859 officially, and it's on its way towards the lower section. All right, hopefully we'll be back soon to the next couple of days to follow up on the situation here with the euro dollar. Yeah, there you go. That's about it for this one, guys. We'll be back with the next video, so see you then.